Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to start for type of polymerization reaction. So it is of two type: addition polymerization, and another name of addition polymerization is chain growth polymerization, and second one is the condensation polymerization. So first we discuss about here addition polymerization. Now addition polymerization known as chain growth polymerization, and it is happened with the help of free radical mechanism. So here alkene or diene are polymerized in the presence of free radical generating initiators, which is used as a catalyst like benzoyl peroxide. So this ethene in presence of benzoyl peroxide or presence of light and heat form the polythene. The first step that is taken place is chain initiation step, second is chain propagation step, and third is the chain termination step. So first we discuss about the chain initiation step. So in this, benzoyl peroxide in the presence of light or heat convert into a free radical. So this phenyl radical, which is act as an initiator having a 1 electron and attack on the ethene group. Here ethene having a double bond, so the 1 electron from the ethene bond form a bond with the phenyl group and again form the free radical. The chain propagation step is going on. This free radical attack on the ethene group and form the free radical. Simultaneously this reaction is going on, and ultimate chain termination step is happened when the reaction is stopped. In this case, free radicals are combined together, both having a 1 electron. Here it is a free radical compound, and they stop the chain and complete the reaction and form the polythene. Now preparation of addition polymerizations, the polymers. So first is the low density polythene. So in this case we take the ethene as a monomer in the presence of temperature 350 to 570 Kelvin and pressure near about 1000 to 2000 atmosphere, and catalyst peroxide initiator and form the polythene. Now it is used as a packing material, insulation of the electric wire, flexible pipe, toys, squeezing bottles. Now second addition polymer is the high density polythene, and this is again monomer is the ethene. Now here temperature is low, 333 Kelvin to 343 Kelvin, and pressure also very less, 6 to 7 atmosphere. And one most important thing, that is Ziegler-Natta catalyst is used in case of high density polythene, and sometime asked in the exam what is Ziegler-Natta catalyst. So this Ziegler-Natta catalyst is that triethyl aluminium and titanium tetrachloride. So you have to learn from the examination point of view. It is used for the bucket, tubes and dustbin. Now third one is the polytetrafluoroethene, another name is Teflon. So again it is formed by the free radical mechanism. The monomer is tetrafluoroethene. So in ethene 4 fluorine atoms are there, and at the high pressure and catalyst they form the polytetrafluoroethene. It is used in non-stick cookware, gasket, oil seals. Now next is the polyacrylonitrile. Another name of polyacrylonitrile is PAN. So here ethene molecule, but one H is removed by CN, so known as acrylonitrile. In the presence of peroxide catalyst, polymerization takes place and form the polyacrylonitrile. So CH2 single bond CH and here CN. Now next is the condensation polymer or a step growth polymerization. So sometimes the difference between the addition polymers or a condensation polymer or polymerization, the question is asked in the exam. So keep in mind this thing. Now classify on the basis of linkage to be present. So what linkage present in between them, they are classified on the basis of it. So first it is one important thing, elimination reaction. Condensation means removal of one molecule during formation of linkage. So here first group is the polyester. Here ester group are present. The example is pterylene and another name is Dacron, and monomer is ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. So at temperature 420 to 460 Kelvin, a presence of a catalyst zinc acetate antimony trioxide. So here CH2 and both the side OH group is present, and terthalic acid means at the opposite side carboxylic groups are present on the benzene ring, that is known as the terthalic acid. So after removal of water, means OH from the acidic part and H from the alcoholic part, remove the water and form the terylene. It is used in the blending in cotton and wool fibers for dresses material and safety helmet. Now next is the glyptol. So glyptol again monomer is ethylene glycol, but in this case terthalic acid, but in case of glyptol is the phthalic acid. The difference between terthalic acid and phthalic acid is that in case of terthalic acid carboxylic groups are present on the opposite side, but in case of phthalic acid they are present side by side. Again ethylene glycol is same the monomer, and another monomer is in a phthalic acid, and removal of water OH from the acidic group and H from the alcoholic group, and they form the glyptol. Now tomorrow we will start the polyamide.